All right, welcome back, guys. This week I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. It's not gonna be a Distillery exclusive. It's gonna be a new series I'm gonna start all about Prohibition and Prohibition cocktails. So this week I will be making the Monkey Gland. So enjoy. Cheers. So the Monkey Gland is a Prohibition cocktail made in the 1920s by Harry McAlone, working in the New York bar in Paris. What it is it's gin, absinthe, grenadine, orange. That's it. But with the absinthe, what it is, it's actually just an absinthe rinse. So what you do is you put a little bit, like I used a bar spoon, you put it in the glass, you rinse it, get rid of the extra. And it adds like a little bit of like a freshness to it. I do about 40 mils of the gin, about 40-45 mils. And then I did about 12 mils of the grenadine. I think it was a bit too much. It was quite sweet. So I'd probably knock it down to like a bar spoon, like 5 to 8 mils. And then for the orange, I did about a shot, like a full 25-30 mils of the fresh orange juice, just squeezed right from the orange. So what it was it's a cocktail named after an experiment from Dr. Sergei Varanov. He said that testosterone was a vital part of a healthy life, so he suggested putting a monkey testicle inside of elderly Frenchmen. You know, weird, fucking weird. You think you have a weird uncle? Fucking imagine this dude. Anyway, that's where it got its name from. As a cocktail itself, it's too sweet for me. I would prefer a little bit of lime in it, I think. Mix up a little lime in there, add a little bit more tartness to it. It might come together better for me. But all in all, it's a half decent cocktail. I like the absinthe rinse. It comes through quite nice and refreshing. So yeah, that's all for me. I'm gonna go enjoy my cocktail and get back to it. Cheers.